But please note, everything you get in this video is strictly for educational purposes and not intended as investment advice. So please do your own research. And also know that results are not typical. It's all dependent on your skills level and experience. So please take note. Hello there, and welcome back to your favorite channel where we break down everything about Forex, crypto, Web3, and Pi network in particular. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a security circle on Pi network, why it's important, and how it can increase your mining speed. So let's go over what you will learn in this video. Number one, you're going to be learning what a security circle is, how to get it set up, and how to set it up step by step, the benefits to you and the entire Pi network. So if you're serious about mining more Pi and securing your coins, hit that like button and let's get started. So what exactly is a security circle? Well, a security circle is a group of trusted users in the Pi network. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which require powerful computers for mining, Pi uses trust-based security. Now, why does Pi need security circles? One, it prevents fake accounts and fraud. Two, it helps to verify transactions in the future blockchain. Three, it makes the Pi ecosystem more secure and decentralized. Now, think of it like a team. The stronger your team, the better your mining experience. Little wonder the Pi network is growing at lightning speed. The network is growing big, bigger than what the detractors could ever imagine. All right, let's create your security circle step by step right now. So, number one, the first step is that you must mine Pi for at least 3 days. Right, so if you've mined Pi for at least 3 days, that means you have been active for 3 days, you are eligible. What do I mean? If on a daily basis since you started mining Pi, you have every 24 hours clicked on the mine on the that lightning speed button, right, to mine Pi, you've done it for 3 days, whether it's consecutively or at least in total, you have done it for at least 3 days, then you're eligible for creating a security circle. Now, if not, you have to keep tapping the lightning bolt every day. All right, do it for 3 days and you qualify or become eligible for creating a security circle. Step two, open the security circle section. Open the security circle section. Now, this is my Pi. I'm mining it. This one is mining also. It's the same Pi. You know, I could have mined on my phone. I'm mining on my phone, but this is displayed on the screen. I'm using the Pi node for this. All right, so we'll talk about that later on in another video. So what we'll do here now, after you open the Pi network app, okay, if you are here to mine, just tap on this lightning bolt button there to start mining. All right, so once you are done like that, you can actually go to the menu or you just tap on this here. You can see this shield here. You can see mine here is showing 100%, right? Tap on this. Okay, so when you tap on it, you can see security circle boost. The Pi mined with this boost will become eligible to transfer as your security circle members verify their identity. So me and I can add more. You can see the people I have in mine. All right. So if you scroll there and then now you need to just have 5 in your security circle. All right. So if I want to add more, so for you now, you just tap on add more, and you can now begin to take it from your contacts or people that you trust that are already mining. They could be among your referrals or anybody that you know that is in your contacts, phone contact that mines Pi. You can bring them into your circle. Okay, so you need to add at least 5 trusted members. Step three. Step three. Add trusted people to your security circle. Add trusted people to your security circle. You need to add at least 5 trusted members. and you can only add people who are in your referral team or someone you personally know. Don't add random people to your security network. There is a reason why. To add, you click add a person. For example, here now, mine now is add more. Okay, so it opens now. So I can begin to now check those that are in my list. You can see here now, this one is showing add, this one is showing add. Now this is added, this is added, all right, and this is not added. Now if you look at this, you can see these ones have verified their phone numbers. Like this one now is showing unverified phone number. This is showing unverified phone number. All right, this one has verified their phone number. This one has verified their phone number. This has verified their phone number. This is unverified phone number. And for this unverified phone number, I can actually remove it. All right, this is verified phone number, and this is verified phone number. So all these ones that are unverified, I can decide to remove them, all right, from my security network. I can add them later on. So I can remove this one. All right, I can decide to remove them. Okay, but if you want to join Pi and you're yet to, you can still join Pi and start mining. All you just do is check in the description of this video, you get a link and get started. Use the username I earn as I learn. But before you do that, make sure as soon as you do that, be consistent in mining for the next 30 days and be checking on here for any update that will help you to actually grow your Pi faster. Currently, you can see the pie chart on in the background. Pi is at 1.47, creating opportunity for those who are late to actually buy more because we believe that this project is going to go far, right? So take advantage of that. Okay, so after you have done this, once you add a person, per time, and make sure that the people you are adding are trusted Pi users. Let them be people that you know, people of integrity. You can see those ones I added, even the ones without a verified phone number, are people that I know. Do you understand? At least these ones that are here are people that I know, though they have not verified their phone number. But I know them personally, one on one. All right. This other one I added, I don't know the person, but still, I could actually decide to remove them. Okay, so you just add them, but then I already have one, two, all right, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine in my security network, and of these nine, I am sure of one, those who are verified, who have been KYC'd, one, two, three, four. Okay, I think I know of four of them who are verified. One, two, three, four. I think four of them are verified already. Okay, four are verified. They verified their KYC, and so at least those four. So remaining one more that I can follow up actually until they verify, and then so we now have five that are verified. Okay, but let's make progress. So you keep on repeating until you have at least five members. Pro tip: add only people you trust. Let them be family, friends, or active Pi users. Don't just add any riffraff to your security circle. Step 4, maintain and expand your security circle. So to do this, you need to stay active. If a member stops mining, replace them. Replace them ASAP. Don't waste time. If a member stops mining, for example, those ones I told you that their numbers are unverified, I'm going to replace them ASAP. Anyone who has not verified their number, even if they are family, replace them so they don't occupy space, because that will affect your mining speed, and invite new users to grow your circle organically. So you join me and let's be together. Add me as part of your security circle, but make sure you are active. If you are not active, I'll remove you. Now, next, let's consider benefits of having a strong security circle. Now that your security circle is set up, let's talk about the benefits for you and for the Pi network. So for you, let's start with for you first. Having a strong security network increases your mining rate. So more trust equal to more Pi mined per session. Two, it strengthens your account security. So no fake accounts or bots in your account. 3, it positions you for future blockchain rewards. Positions you for future blockchain rewards. And now for the Pi network. Number one, it prevents fraud and double spending. 2, it ensures a secure decentralized blockchain. And 3, it helps the network's transition to a fully functional cryptocurrency. So, if you want to mine faster and secure your coins, setting up your security circle is a must. It's a must. Now you know how to create a security circle, why it matters, and how it helps you mine Pi faster. Let's do a quick recap. A security circle protects the Pi network. You need 5 trusted members. More trust equal higher mining rate. Comment below if you have any questions about Pi network or security circles. Let's discuss. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and please subscribe for more Pi network tips and crypto and forex content. See you in the next video. Keep mining, keep stacking that Pi. Thank you very much, and God bless you.